everyone, Leslie here. I'm going to be going over my Young Living's Essential Rewards that I got in yesterday. I already opened it so that I'm not fumbling around with plastic and everything. But let's just hop right into the box here. And the first thing I got is the holiday catalog, which everybody gets around this time of the year. If you want to look at it, just go online to youngliving.com and you can go through it there. The first thing I got, since this is my third box, I've been actually stocking up on oils for the first couple of ones. This time I decided to kind of change it up, and I got the Thieves Household Cleaner, which I'm really excited about this because I want to get rid of the Clorox and the Windex, all that kind of stuff that it's actually kind of harmful for you. So this is actually going to replace all that, and it helps cut down costs because it's super concentrated. So you only need a capful for a big spray bottle. So I'm excited about that one, and I've already opened it. Since I've already opened it up and smelled it, it really does smell fantastic. It smells like the Thieves with a couple of extra oils added into it. The next thing I got was the V6 Carrier Oil with the little pump. This, I'm going to start making my own roller balls so that I can carry those with me in my purse. Really excited about that because I have a friend, she sent me a roller ball recipe for, it's called Wellness Blend, and it smells super fantastic. It's got thieves in it as well, which is why I think I like it so much. But I got 3 oils this time, and one of them being the November promo, since I spent $100. That one was Christmas Spirit, which I've already got that one going in my diffuser right now, and it smells amazing. I actually wouldn't have ordered this one otherwise because I'm not much on trying a whole lot of things, but this one really surprised me because it smells like orange and cinnamon and pine, and it's amazing. Love it. I think I'm going to start ordering this one every month. I believe this one has a limit on how many bottles you can get, but I'm not exactly sure on that. But it only comes in the 5 ml size. I know that for sure. So that one is awesome. I'm glad that it was a promo item. The other 2 oils I got are 15 mls. First one I got because I knew I would love it, and I'm going to add this one to water. It's grapefruit, and really excited about that one because I love everything grapefruit. The next thing I got was Dragon Time. This one I know is good for women around their time of the month, and whenever I opened it up and smelled it, I was like, this one smells really weird. I'm not really drawn to it, but I know that it's going to be super helpful. But I think I'm going to do this one on the bottom of my feet. I'll have to double check in my reference guide though. But I'm sure that one's a apply to the bottom of the feet one, since it smells really weird. But that's everything that I got in my order. If you have any questions for me, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. With this one being my 3rd essential reward, it's either my 3rd or my 4th, one of the 2, but with this one being like one of my first boxes, if y'all want to see my collection that I have so far, just comment down below and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, have a good day.